So you were mentioning that almost 60 to 70% of maths is conceptual. How should we teach concepts, especially at the primary school level?
First of all, children require a lot of time of experience to understand that. For example, in the family, a family is a very, very abstract idea, which even PhD thesis people may not be able to explain. But a child understands a family because of years of living in the family, looking at the role of father, the mother, the sister, expert. The child forms its own idea, abstract idea of the family. But unfortunately, in school, there is not so much time. There is a curriculum which is finished fixed time. So, what two or three things which teachers can do? One is that you relate the concepts to their daily experience. Like, for example, introducing division. We can say, how do you share food in your piece of cake or New Year? So you cut it in different pieces and share. What happens if you add 2 glasses of water together? So the volume increases. So before giving the name addition, you give this experience and say this is called addition. What about the quantity which can be shared very equally between two people? The name is evil. So relate it to their real life experience so that the experience connection to the bird will stay with them. Okay. Another thing is to use manipulators. Like for example, place value is very abstract concept. Teachers usually say 23 in 2 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. Child really doesn't understand what is a place, what is 10, what is tens, what is 1, what is 1. Here is a thing. Where suppose you use several sticks and bundles of sticks, 10 sticks. You just place 2 bundles on 3 sticks. The human mind is powerful enough to see the connection that this represents 23. And then you realize that 2 in the 20 is not just 2, it is 2 bundles. Correct. It's mathematically is not visible when you write on the board. So it is through, and then they can be asked to role play. Okay. But role play also, their experiences come handy in understanding so much. So these are various ways, or they can be asked to draw a diagram. If you read a word problem, can you draw a diagram to show what's happening? Possibly any diagram. So these are all ways by which children can be made to unsee that. What's happening here is a concept doesn't exist in the real world, but you mirror it. You mirror it through a thing, and the human mind is powerful. That's why animals know numbers, maybe 2 or 3, small number, but they can't do math. But doing mathematics is a powerful idea which human children can do. Like, for example, if you give 2 packets of sweets to a child, if he likes a sweet, he will pick up the bigger one. He may not know the name for bigger and smaller, why he chosen etc. So these are all several strategies it should be used in the talk. Now, but in our schools with 40, 45 children in class, this also becomes